So welcome students to this lecture of digital electronics, where in the last lecture we have covered a few important laws of Boolean algebra. Just to recall, we have seen double inversion law or inversion law and some other important laws. Okay, we have even covered, or we have even looked at the duality principle, right, where the plus is replaced by dot and dot is replaced by plus, 1 is replaced by 0 and 0 is replaced by 1, and then we form that equation. Now today we are going to look for this De Morgan's theorem. Now again, De Morgan, one scientist, has put here, now it is a part of Boolean algebra by the way, has put two important theorems which are required for again simplification of a given circuit. So not only simplification, this De Morgan's theorem is quite importantly used in universal gates also. Universal gates. Now with help of this this De Morgan's theorem, we can verify NAND and NOR as universal gates. Okay, so we'll see in this next video lectures, but now today let us try to see, or let us try to look at what this De Morgan's theorem states, right? So we have two important De Morgan's theorem, and again the knowledge point of view will look at the statements and proof of these theorems, right? But exam point of view, you may have a 4 or this 2 marks question, right? In the 2 marks question, they will ask you to just state, but in the 4 mark question you need to prove. Okay, so again, very interesting and very easy this theorem is, right? So theorem 1, what does the theorem 1 states is this one: A dot B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Now if you see here, this whole bar is divided into the number of these present variables, where this dot is replaced by plus, right? So I can write here A B whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar, right? So if it is 3 variable, this is for 2 variable. If 3 variable, we have A B C whole bar, I can say A bar plus B bar plus C bar, right? So this whole bar is break down for its respective variables with this dot replacing with plus, right? Okay, so once again I'll write this equation. This is A B whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. Okay, now let us try to prove this point or understand this point. Now if you remember this equation, A B whole bar is of NAND gate, right? So if I am saying AB whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar, I mean to say that this NAND gate is equal to this equation. Okay, now this equation means this plus means it is OR, right? And these two are inputs, right? So here this plus means OR, and this A is and B are inputs. But if you see, they are not simply A and B, they are A bar and B bar, right? Means this is A and this is B. Okay, so input is in the form of this NOT gate, right? So for this I can say they are bubbled OR, right? bubbled OR. Okay, let us see diagrammatically. So we have this NAND gate. Now how NAND gate is represented? This is NAND gate. Okay, we have this A, we have this B. Okay, so the output here is AB whole bar. This is equal to A bar. Now how should I represent A bar? This is A and this is B, right? So since this is plus, we need to have this OR gate here, right? And this is Y, which is equal to A bar plus B bar. Now this NAND gate is equal to bubbled OR gate. Okay, I can draw in another way also. Since this NOT gate is represented simply by a bubble, so I can redraw this circuit as this way. Okay, so this NOT gate I have just replaced by a bubble here. So I have this A, B and my Y equal to A bar plus B bar. Okay, so if I am to write in the form of statement, let's see if we can understand the statement. Okay, so this theorem states that the complement of product okay, which is AB whole bar. Now this is a product, AB is a product and its complement, right? So that is what it written. This theorem states that the complement of a product is equal to addition of complement, right? Complement, which is A bar plus B bar, that is addition of these complements. Okay, now we have stated this and we have said that we need to prove this. Okay, so we need to prove this De Morgan's theorem with help of truth table. Prove with help of truth table. Now for truth table we need to, I'll just write down that equation so as to understand. So this is A B whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar, right? Now for the truth table we need to consider every single entries of this equation. Okay, so let us see what I mean to say. First we have this A and this B, right? Then we have A bar, B bar, right? Then we have A bar plus B bar. Okay, then we have AB, right? And then we have AB whole bar. Okay, do we have anything else here? So we can just, no, everything we have considered. A, B, then A bar single term, B bar single term, then their ORing. Okay, then simply this A into B and its complement, right? Okay, now see here, as usual since there are two inputs, we have 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, right? Now this is A bar. Okay, so what is A bar? Means opposite of A here. So this is 1 1 0 0, right? What is B bar? Is opposite of this B, so it is 1 0 1 0. Okay, what is A bar plus B bar? ORing of these two, right? So ORing of these two columns, entries of these two columns, right? So what does OR gate says? If any of the input is 1, output is 1, otherwise output is 0. Okay, AB means ending of these first two columns, right? So ending says if any of the input is 0, output is 0, right? AB whole bar means opposite of this, right? Because since AB and then we have bar, means we have to take the opposite or the invert of this column. So it is 1 1 1 0, right? Now we have to just see that whether we have got same entries for A B whole bar this column and A bar plus B bar this column, right? So where is AB whole bar? This one. And where is A bar plus B bar? This one, right? So do we have same entries here? Let me see this one. Yes, so same entries. Therefore we can say that hence theorem 1 is proved. Right? So if at all we had the different entries, then it should not have been equal to this equation. But fortunately we are getting the same entries here, right? Practically also we have so many times proved this theorem. Okay, so this is one theorem. Similarly we have another theorem for this De Morgan's. Okay, now let us see the next theorem for De Morgan's. Now what does this states? In the first theorem we have seen A B whole bar, we have seen for NAND, right? Now we'll see for A plus B whole bar, that is of NOR. So this is what is mentioned, A plus B whole bar equal to, now again here we are breaking this complete bar into this number of variables. So we have A bar and B bar. Now this plus is replaced by dot here, right? So this is what this theorem. Now this equation for NOR gate, and we can say NOR gate is equal to bubbled AND, right? So if you observe, we are somewhere finding a relation of this OR and AND. Somewhere we are trying to connect them. Okay, so that is what this De Morgan's theorem is saying. Statement wise, this theorem states that the complement of sum is equal to product of complements. Okay, so statement wise also you need to understand, because in this competitive exams you may be given this statement and identify, or you may be asked to find out its corresponding equation. So anything it can be. Okay, any way this question can be asked. Now diagrammatic representation. right? So first is NOR gate. So how NOR gate? This is A, this is B, and this is output A plus B whole bar, right? This is equal to bubbled AND. So we have this AND gate, okay, and the input to this are bubbled. So this is A, this is B, and I can say Y equal to A bar dot B bar. Again, instead of this complete NOT gate, I can represent this with help of a bubble. I can redraw this here. This is Y, this is A, this is B, right? So Y equal to A bar dot B bar. Okay, again, if you want to prove with the help of truth table, let us now proving with truth table. Okay, so first have that equation with you. This is A plus B whole bar equal to A bar dot B bar. So first we have this A, then B, then we have A bar, B bar, and this A bar dot B bar, then we have A plus B, and then A plus B whole bar, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. Perfect. In the previous also we had 7 columns for this. Okay, so again 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These 4 entries considering 2 inputs. Okay, so A bar means opposite of this or inverting of this A. So it is 1, 1, 0, 0. B bar means opposite of this second column, 1, 0, 1, 0, right? Then A bar into B bar means ending this third and fourth column. Okay, ending means if any of the input is 0, output is 0, right? A plus B means ORing these two, first and second column. So ORing means if any of the input is 1, output is 1. A plus B whole bar means opposite of this. So it is 1, 0, 0, 0, right? And if you can see the column number 5 and column number 7, they are same, right? So that is what our equation is. A bar plus B bar equal to, sorry, this is dot A plus B whole bar, right? So can I say this LHS equal to RHS? Okay, so this is how the De Morgan's theorem can be proved. At the end you need to remember this both equation. So for that you need to simply remember equation for NAND gate and NOR gate. So from this you will be simply able to represent De Morgan's theorem. Just break this into and dot replaced by plus and plus replaced by dot, right? So this is how we can understand De Morgan's both theorem. Okay, all right. So up till now we have covered all these equations, all these different laws of Boolean algebra. Okay, in the next lecture we'll go for few examples and we'll try to simplify, we'll try to reduce or minimize the given equation with help of this Boolean algebra, with help of all the laws of Boolean algebra, right, wherever which is necessary to use, and then we can actually draw the reduced digital circuit. Okay, so till then, have a nice time. Thank you.